Hi everyone, welcome to 10 on the 10th, where we make approximately 10 Christmas cards each month to get ahead of schedule for the holiday season and hopefully have enough to mail out. I think I'll have more than enough to mail out, plus I'll be donating some, quite a few, hopefully, if I can get them into the nursing home. Anyway, thank you to Metal Scrappin' Chick for hosting this. So this month, everyone, I concentrated on this Wonder of the Season suite of products by Stampin' Up. I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in the United States. So thank you, Kim, for letting me be part of this, given that. I do not use Stampin' Up for this collab every month. Last month I did not. This month I am. Wonder of the Season suite, and what I concentrated on this time, because if you were with my live last on Friday night, you know I used all these other products, but this time I concentrated on the Wonder of the Season Memories and More card pack. I did use some of the Wonder of the Season Memories and More cards and envelopes, but I also used most of, actually, the Whisper White Large Memories and More cards and envelopes that are from the annual catalog number 148041. This is what I have left. I used the envelopes, but I apparently used the cards from the foil. These are red foiled ones, and these are not 5x7, but they're close. They are 4.5 inch by 6.5 inch, and I think that's the same for these, which are the ones here. They are 6.25 by 4.25. So actually these are a little bit smaller than the large Whisper White ones in the annual catalog, not by a lot. But they're similar to a 5x7, and I'm sure they'll mail just fine. So yeah, that's what I used. And I have a ton of product. I keep mine in a box like this. And there's some more in here I wanted to use. I just ran out of time. So let me show you the cards. They're very simple, because this is a Memories and More card. And then all I did on this one is stamp on the inside, "May the wonder of Christmas stay with you throughout the coming year." And that is from the Wishes and Wonder, which is part of the same suite. On some of the cards I will use this "May you cherish the wonder of the season now and throughout the year," but both of these are in that same suite of products. And then the only other thing I used is this little holly, and that is out of the gift wrapped. It's right here, and I used that on the envelope, and 2 on the inside of the card and 2 on the bottom of the envelope. So top there and bottom there on the envelope. And that is all I did for these 2 cards. And because I just thought, you know, other than maybe adding a bow or something, that really does not need anything. Gorgeous. Then this one, Celebrate the Season, all I did was add some white pearls on the front. I couldn't decide on adding ribbon, so I didn't, but I did stamp "May you cherish the wonder of the season now and throughout the year" from the Cherish the Season stamp. And then here's the next one. Again, I don't think it needed much. I just have some of the bling from the same suite, which is clear with gold flecks in it, and then some of the gold cord, which is in the ribbon combo pack, and the inside "May the wonder of Christmas stay with you throughout the coming year." This is a sticker out of the Memories and More card pack, and I don't think I did anything on the envelope for these. No, I didn't. I could have put another holly sticker on, or stamped like I did in the other one. Same on this one, same thing. And then we have the sleigh, and I added the gilded gems from the Ornate Garden suite in the annual catalog. And then this is the gold cord from the ribbon combo pack in the Wonders of the Season. And I stamped in Cherry Cobbler. May you cherish the wonder of the season now and throughout the year. It just says season's greetings on the front. So 2 of those. Then let me show you this one. These ones next. This one I stamped Merry Christmas. That was in the Cherish the Season. I stamped that here. I put Cherry Cobbler from the Holiday Rhinestones, and I put Wink of Stella over the bells that were already on there. I did use the cards that are in that suite with the red foiling. On this one, I stamped these in Garden Green, and this in Smoky Slate, and then I put Wink of Stella on those bells. Here is Cherry Cobbler again, which is here. May you cherish the wonder of the season now and throughout the year. And I just put Whisper White on Garden Green on the inside to make it match more the outside and make it a little sturdier. And then this is one of the envelopes as they come in that kit. And same, this one is exactly the same. Well, it's exactly the same as I can get anything. And then the last 2, I did use some of the designer paper on this one from the 'Tis the Season 6x6 designer series paper pack. You get 48 sheets, and there's all kinds of patterns in it. And the pattern I chose was this one because it had more of the same color in it, which it's like a Just Jade and Garden Green. So this is one of the Memories and More small cards, and it had this little circle here, but I couldn't figure out a sentiment to put in. But I found Joy to the World, and that was from Itty Bitty Christmas here. So I stamped it with Versamark and heat embossed it with white embossing powder. And then I put it on Whisper White. This ribbon, this one took the most work, and it really wasn't saying that it didn't take much. This ribbon is from the Flowers for Every Season ribbon combo pack. It's a 1/2" faux linen ribbon in Whisper White. And I wrapped that around the designer series paper. The Memories and More card I put on, which is 3x4. So this is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. I glued it down, and then I bumped it up on dimensionals, it looks like. Now, this one I used some of the foam adhesive sheets, but I must either done this one first and then realized I used a lot of dimensionals and switched to the foam adhesive sheets, or the other way around. I don't know. I can't remember what I did. And then these dots, they are from the All the Trimmings Embellishments pack, and they're these white, sorry for any glare, but they're these white, they're like little puffy dots, but they're matte, they're not shiny. And I thought they went well with this because there's little white berries in the paper and white on green here. And then on the inside I just put an extra strip of the designer paper that is used in the background. And that is it. I think that is 14 cards. So here's the thing, if you need a lot of cards in a hurry, the Memories and More card packs are really nice for doing that. I still have a ton of little ones. I still have a good deal of many of the stickers, really, and there's some sentiments right in here for those that don't have sentiments on them already. You can use them and see little these are stickers. And then I have even more big ones. Here's another one you could just use, Wishing You Wonder and Joy. Instant card, and there's 4 of them. Or you can use the back side. Some of them have, there's like 6 of them. So there's quite a few, and you can use either that for cards. So right there, if you use that side, is 6 cards. Just add a little white ribbon and maybe some white embellishments like I did there, and or some shiny bling, and boom, you have 6 more cards. I honestly was running out of the card bases to put them on. Now this one has deer or another one of the bells. Here's another one. There's 7 of those. And there's quite a few of these left, and I already did 2 of them. So, like, you can use that as designer paper, or you can use the one that already has something on it and just stamp whatever you want on it. There's more of these Celebrate the Season. So, you get the idea. There's a ton of stuff in here you can do. Some of the little ones, like there's the one I use. Here's the other side of it. You could just make a card with that, you know, and put a different sentiment on. Here's one that says, "May you never be too grown up to search the skies on Christmas Eve." And a tree. I'd use that on a card in a heartbeat. I may still. Or you can use these for journaling, or you can use these for scrapbooking. This has Believe and has lines on it. Or the other side is Wishing You Holiday Cheer this season. I don't think I got to use that one. And there's some other ones in here with pretty good Stamp Anything. Same, you can stamp anything. So, and look at these foiled ones. You can cut them and do whatever you want with them. These foiled ones are white on the back. Some of the other ones were two-sided. But I have 6 more foiled ones. I just ran out of time. So these are the Memories and More pack from the Wonder of the Season. If you're interested in those, I am a demonstrator in the US. But in the meantime, these are my cards for 10 on the 10th. And they were pretty easy peasy, which is good because I made lots of less easy cards using the rest of the product suite, most of which I showed last night, but I also have a fun fold for the 23rd with the same suite of products, not using these Memories and More cards. And then I have 3 other cards I just didn't have time to finish for Friday night. 2 of which are made already, and I just have to do a video to show you how to make them. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please go check everyone else out in the collab, who will be linked down below. And yeah, good luck. If you play along with us, let us know. And thank you, Kim, for hosting. It's been a great year so far. 2 more months to go to this year. Woo. And I will have something different next month, so come back. I mean, it'll be cards, but different papers. Not Stampin' Up next month. So come back and see what I have for you then. All right, everyone, take care. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.